Hello, my viewers. Welcome to Econ City. So, this is no teaching video but a motivation video. Like, if you've just entered your class 11th, then you must have realized that economics is not just that hypothetical Palampur village, but it's much more and a deeper concept that you need to know. I should be getting you till here, okay? Now, अब हम क्या करेंगे that in this video we'll find 7 ways, top 7 ways that I have personally tested during my class 11th, and these are the ways you deal with economics. And it's a new subject, then you need to have a clear mindset before even starting with the subject, right? Now, the very first point that I have for you is start with NCRT. Okay, don't just try to memorize and mug up what's written in NCRT, but try to understand what it's trying to say. Okay, NCRT, as you've heard, or you should know that by now, that it's your Bible. It's very important. It builds your basic, and उसकी language भी बहुत easy to understand होती है, because it is written in that way. Now your work is not just to read कि तुम पढ़ते जा रहे हो. You need to ask yourself why. You need to ask yourself that why is this happening. Okay, इतना पूछना बहुत important है कि why is this happening, what does it mean, because without this you do not actually understand economics. You, if you don't comprehend it with your real life, you won't understand it. So firstly try to, पहले तो you read and then you try to think कि what it's asking, then make your guesses, then read again and make sense कि what were you thinking and how it is different from what your book says. And you'll know कि where you are going wrong, where your thinking is, wrong in contrast to your book. Also try to teach yourself using some real life concepts. That's very important. Now second is use YouTube video. Okay, YouTube has everything that you need. So उसमें तुमको जितना भी concept का clarity चाहिए, it is already uploaded on YouTube. You have to find one channel for yourself and you can stick to that channel. And if somewhere you feel that you're not compatible with that channel, then you can obviously switch. Okay, sometimes reading isn't enough. It's completely fine that you don't understand what you read. Watch short explanation videos, anything that helps. Also, my channel puts a lot of efforts in explaining concepts to you using real life examples. So you can go through those videos. They'll help you, and I can guarantee you that. They'll help you understand your economics with real life concepts. They'll give you a better picture. Just watch it and see for yourself. Okay, you can also ask for a particular type of content from me, and I'll try to provide it as soon as possible. I wouldn't delay it if somebody gives ask for something. Okay, now the third point that I have for you is make your own notes. Okay, this is one of the most important thing that you need to start doing from the very first day. If you can read the book now, so you can also make notes out of it. You read some lines and you write it down in your notebook, ताकि NCRT में you see there's a lot of things going on, there are a lot of examples that are trying to connect you to economics, but you need to write definitions and everything that you will need एग्ज़ाम के टाइम पे. ओके, तो जो भी मेरी वीडियोस है यू कैन गो एंड वहाँ पे आपको शॉर्ट नोट्स मिल जाएगा हर टॉपिक का, लाइक डेफिनेशन वगैरह बहुत अच्छे से रिटन है. इफ़ यू वांट यू कैन गो टू दैट, अदरवाइज इट्स फाइन, यू कैन रीड द चैप्टर. बिकॉज रीडिंग के बाद इफ़ यू डू द राइटिंग इट हेल्प्स यू बूस्ट द रिटेंशन एंड इट इज़ वेरी हेल्पफुल, एग्जाम में भी याद रहता है. Now, fourth is practice diagram until they are muscle memory. Diagrams are integral parts of economics. They are the most important thing, and you can never go wrong with a diagram. But if you are dealing with diagram for the first time, if you are dealing with them and you think that they are very hard, do not panic. Just remember they are the easiest thing. draw them enough time, since you are maybe not able to comprehend everything to that deep level. But you can make diagram, they are just lines and some values on x and y axis. So just remember them, draw them enough so you remember them, because diagrams say your answer looks very complete. Okay, and complete answer tends to get full marks. If you have 5, then you get a 5. But for scoring a 5 in your exam, you need to draw that diagram at least 5 times after you have understood it or understood how to draw it. Okay, so this is very important. Now moving on to the next point, it's ask why for every concept. Every concept that you learn should be accompanied with a why, कि क्यों करना है, क्यों ऐसे हो रहा है. Just if your book says कि अच्छा ऐसे ऐसे है, तो do not settle for that. Try to ask your brain. It helps you reconnect every concept that you've studied. मतलब आगे जाके you will see कि why demand falls when price rises. मतलब ये सारी चीज़ you need to ask. You've already studied opportunity cost with me, so you can ask why is opportunity cost important. All these things, all these questions, they help you build intuition, and they are very helpful. I'm telling you, you will actually relate to this statement once you sit in the exam and you do not know answer for any certain question. तो you will see कि तुम्हें बहुत जल्दी intuition से वो explain करना आ रहा है. And even if you don't remember the perfect answer, you can use your intuition to write that, and you will get a decent good marks, I would say 3 on 5 or even 4 if your intuition is good enough. Now, sixth point is set daily targets. Don't study without a target, without a goal. You need to make a to do list. And when you see that list, you have things planned out for you कि ठीक है आज ये करना है. And if you actually give it time और उसको ठीक से करते हो, and once you put मतलब you know mark things कि ये हो गया, then you have a sense of accomplishment कि oh finally I did this. Now, the seventh and the most important thing, please, please, please start early. Economics is not a subject that you can just learn at the last day of your just one day before your exam. It is not. I mean, no subject is, but economics बहुत conceptual हो जाता है once you enter your class 11th. So you need to understand each and every example very well, and even a concept very well. And even if you understand the concept, you need to do questions because you will get stuck if you don't practice. So एक topic को daily complete करने का try करो, उसको read करो, YouTube video देखो, and उस पर questions करो. थोड़े बेसिक से स्टार्ट करके मूव टू एडवांस लेवल. और बेसिक क्वेश्चंस यू विल गेट ऑन माई चैनल. I'll be posting them after completion of each and every topic. So if you want me, I can also give you thoda advanced level ka questions, but right now I'm keeping it simple because I'm targeting newcomers to economics. So thanks for watching, and do not forget to like, share and subscribe. If you have found this video helpful, then please subscribe so I can connect you further and bring more such content to you. Thank you. Bye bye.